So there has to be a rating. In the same way now a child can't go to the movies if it's A16.
Yep.
We have to now start doing that and policing perhaps or situations where there are expletives, etc. because it pervades different spaces. But we still have to go back to parenting. Because in the same way, my 12-year-old son, I monitor what is being watched, what's being listened to. I fortunately have a good relationship with him. So I know what he's doing on Skype. I know these kinds of things. And as much as you try to give them their freedom to grow up, you still have to play a role in that. So even when he comes home with some of the most interesting things on his phone, on YouTube, and they're coming from Jamaican lyricists, and you have to say, boy, this one, let me explain what this one is saying to you. This is not something you really need to be listening to at this stage. But those of us who know better have to start a momentum to take charge and leading, and the community and the village has to start once again raising children. It's not so long ago, it used to happen, you know. But somehow those of us who have the courage to look at another person's child and say, look, what you're doing is wrong. You should not be doing that. We have to start going back there, because if we're expecting, because unfortunately, bad news sells, nastiness sells, and anything that is deemed to push the ante or go against the grain are things that people want to hear. So to say to you that we are able to police it is difficult. What we're working on now is trying to really improve the consciousness of our young people, and that is why I go out so much and talk to our young people, because they can also see other examples, and we're utilizing people like Brian Lumley for Youth Month, and Kenya Linton George and Kamala Bennett. These are young people who are starting businesses, who are doing well, who are pursuing excellence. They have to see what other young people in Jamaica are doing as well.